Okay, time to get to work. Who can I piss off now? Let's see. No, not him, not him. This guy. Yeah, this guy. This guy. What you gonna do when it come for you? Where is he?
Hello?
It's me!
Who is it?
Is he kidding me? It's me!
Oh, no, not again.
Oh, yes. Again.
Why are you whispering?
Because I'm at the movies.
Which movie?
Is nature calling you too often and interrupting your life?
You haven't gotten to the end yet, right?
The wife, get this, fakes her death.
You'll miss it anyway, because you gotta go.
Now there's a prescription medicine that can help reduce the urinary symptoms in men with enlarged prostate. It's called Lesinix.
Where is he now?
We're sorry. You have reached the number that has been
Wait, no!